Welcome to this week's meditation, beautiful people. Please find a seated position. Get comfortable. Sit tall. Make sure your spine is long and straight. Let's do some mindful breathing. Slowly and deeply, breathe in and out. Mindful breathing simply requires you to hold a soft focus on your breath, on slowing it down, on how the breath feels, how it affects your body. You are here with me today. You're giving your body and mind the time and space to relax. So beautiful. In today's meditation, we are going to repeat affirmations to encourage you to let go of limiting beliefs. I want you to realize how intelligent you are, how capable you are. Gently let your eyelids close. Feel your eyes soften. Your eyebrows droop. The corner of your lips relax. Unclench that jaw. Wonderful. How's that mindful breathing going? Make sure to keep that soft focus on your breath throughout this meditation. Inhale deeply and slowly. Exhale even deeper and even slower. Inhale deeply and slowly. Exhale even deeper and even slower. Softly with an internal whisper, repeat after me. I am an intelligent and wise soul. Repeat these words as you inhale the refreshing air and exhale the old. I am an intelligent and wise soul. I am an intelligent and wise soul. Gently and softly repeat after me. I am thoughtful and curious. I am thoughtful and curious. As you repeat this affirmation, feel yourself internalize the words. Watch them swirl around in your belly. I am thoughtful and curious. Each person has a deep curiosity about something. We all find different things fascinating. Therefore, we're all experts on something. It's time we share our expertise with one another. What do you know a lot about? It could be anything. Coffee, skincare, wellness, fill. Be proud to have that in-depth knowledge. You are an expert. Repeat after me with an internal whisper. I am an expert. I am an expert. Slowly open your eyes. Let the light bring you out of this slow pace of existing. Thank you so much for joining me, sweet ones. Join me next Wednesday for the final meditation of this 4-part series. Please subscribe and share your thoughts with me in the comments section.